Hey, how's it going today? So I just picked up a new toy. Drove 2 hours to go get it, but it's a really good deal. Got a 2000 Club Car DS. So I'm moving, getting some acreage, pole barn, all that fun stuff. So I thought a golf cart would be the perfect addition to it. It's just a Calmer side-by-side essentially. This guy sells golf carts, and he said he did a little bit of work, replaced the battery and some fuel lines and stuff. It seems to run pretty good. It's got, it used to be a golf cart at a golf course, so it's got a little bit of your expected branch wear from going along tree lines or drunk teenagers rubbing against tree stumps or whatever. So I got a little bit of stuff here, but no big deal. I'll probably sand this whole thing down anyway and paint it. So I'm excited about it. It's going to be fun. Let's take a look underneath and see what we've got here. Okay, so hopefully this light's working out okay for y'all. Got a brand new battery in there, so that's nice. If you look closely on this air box, it looked like at one point it had an old battery and the acid vapor kind of ate away at it, but it seems to be functioning just fine. There's our single piston, it looks like. I see one spark plug in there. Engine, and yeah, not too bad. You got a fuel pump here, basic kind of thing you'd see on a snowmobile. So you got inlet, outlet, and then a line going to the crank as well to create vacuum to operate the diaphragm of it. And yeah, so one thing I noticed here is that's a really sorry looking fuel filter though. So let's replace that right now. Pretty much welded on here. Ugh. Fuel in the mouth. Alright, got her off. That thing looks terrible. Good, we're replacing it. Alright, so you just want to make sure you put these fuel filters on the right way. Arrow is pointing towards where fuel is flowing. Perfect. Alright, we're good to go. Okay, so this must be the fuel line and fuel filter he said he replaced, because it is replaced. One issue I noticed right here, well, on the whole line, is he didn't put any clamps on here, and it kind of moves around. That looks like a future problem to me, so we're gonna just put some clamps in here real quick, no big deal. All right, looks like these green ones are gonna be the right one. Luckily, I have 3 of them. Got this basket here to put your beer. Well, all right, it's all set here, I think. Let's take her for a stroll. Woohoo! Let them ponies run. All right. She seems to run good. It's a golf cart. All right, hell yeah, this thing's a lot of fun. It's gonna come in a lot of use later on, I think. All I'm gonna have to do sometime here is just maybe replace the seats. They're fine for a good couple of years, I'm sure, and probably sand her down and paint her, make her look a lot nicer. A couple of scrapes, you know, from usage at a golf course, but nothing that can't be sanded down. It's just fiberglass, so. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.